business. Let's talk about big money, getting cash, and all that good stuff. Now, today, I thought I'll jump in the car before I go home and tell you all how you can earn money from literally just writing online. And I'm sure a lot of you want to find out how you can do that. You can earn up to $500 daily from this. So yeah, let's get into it. But first, hit the intro. Okay, so make sure you subscribe for more money making online content, because we cover everything about making money online. Literally every single bit. We cover e-commerce, making money online from different Shopify stores. We cover all of that. And if you're interested, stick around to the end, because I will reveal a free ebook that you can download now showing you 5 ways to make money online, alongside a free course which we usually sell for about $100. And we've basically made it free to make sure everyone can be able to make money online through this hard time. So if you stick around to the end, I'll give you a free gift, usually $100. You could sell this course for about that, but because I'm generous, I'm giving it for free. So yeah, and it's only free for a limited time as well. So yeah, make sure you stick around to the end. You'll see a little information pop up on the video and you can click on that. Let's get into what the video actually is though. Enough of the promo, enough of the not bragging. Enough of the self promo anyway, and let's get into why you've clicked on this video. You've clicked on this video to find out how you can earn money from basically typing online. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are aware of really cheap sort of freelancer websites like Upwork, People Per Hour and Fiverr. Well, I'm about to introduce a new one to the game, a new thing, a new website which some people might have heard of, some people might not have, and it's called Latium.org. Now, Latium.org basically has its own cryptocurrency, pays people either in US dollars or in the form of cryptocurrency, and it covers every single sort of freelancing job. Now, before we came onto this, I was looking through and actually seeing the different freelancing jobs that are on there, because at first I was just looking at writing, so people that could actually do some different type of writing for them, and then I found so much more that you can do. So there's loads of ways to make money online if you learn certain skills. Basically, you could sit at home and just do freelancing work the whole time, and then get that money, invest it into different parts, and that's how you become full-time from sitting at home using on the online world to make some income. Now, that is a complete way to do it. This is more for people who need to create some sort of income. So obviously I've looked through. One of the things that I found is people are paying up to $250 for a transcription, for you to transcribe someone's video. So all you can do is just write down what exactly they're saying. I believe there's like 11 pages of it, and then you can then send it off to them and get some cryptocurrency for that one piece of work, which is absolutely amazing. Now, there's other ways as well, so you can translate text for other people. Now, this is quite a weird one, because it's probably one of the quickest and easiest ways to make money, but a lot of people are a lot of people from what I've seen are seeing through it and going, are you an actual translator? Stuff like that. But if people are just looking for ways to actually get some sort of English on their actual site, and what you can do is copy exactly everything that they send, because they don't know how to translate it properly. Put it onto Google Translate, make sure it reads right, put it onto Google Translate, and then send over the translated version to them. I've seen one guy selling it for like $5 to $25 just for English to be translated to German. Now, you could do that dead quick, just translate it really quickly, and then you could send it off to them in probably the same day. Really, it just depends on if you're comfortable doing that, or if you know a certain language, and you can translate it really quick as well. I just died, but it's alright, we move. I'm recording on my phone now because it's literally just died on me. So we were getting on, we've talked about how to translate it, and we talked about if you're just doing some sort of writing for someone else, like transcribing text from video, you can do that also and earn a lot of money from it. And the final part is writing copy. Now, copywriting is a bit of a skill, but people pay a lot of money for this skill, because if you didn't know, it's copywriting is basically, it just seems like a lot of text to you, but it's designed to be able to convert the customer from literally just reading through it to becoming an actual customer. So yeah, that's the design of copywriting. Now you can take free copywriting courses online, or you can just wing it. You can just blag it. Not really blag, I wouldn't recommend it. I'd recommend just learning copywriting and the basics behind it, and then practicing with real people's work. Now, one of the ways to actually practice it would be to actually just do some sort of work for people. I've seen a lot of people asking for product description copywriting, and now I do this myself for our own website, and it's very, very, very valuable because it converts them people, and I'd really suggest it if people are interested in doing it. I'd really suggest it and just trying it, because even I would like some sort of copywriter, because it's time consuming. writing product descriptions the exact sort of way is really time consuming. However, if you're in lockdown and you have time in your hands, or in self-isolation, or don't have a job, then you have the time in your hands to make this sort of money. Now, you don't have to do this long term, but you could just do it and learn it to get some money in. Use that money to set up your own business, set up your own e-commerce store. There's loads of ways to make money. It's just using money in the right ways, instead of wasting your money on Starbucks, or you know what I mean, or something like that. It's a chai latte that I had like 7 weeks ago. Just not clean my car up. But you know what I mean, you've got to invest your money in proper places. Maybe investing into cryptocurrency, maybe investing into stocks. There's a lot of ways to do it, but yeah, I do suggest trying that out and trying out Latium. It's not just writing though. You can use Latium for a load of different things, like website work. I've seen people paying ridiculous amounts of money just to get their own website set up. So if you're comfortable with doing that, then you can. There's even a way that I'll probably share with you right now, just to sort of end the bonus off, is to automate the systems, right? So you could see how much somebody is charging on Latium. They're looking for a copywriter. They can't find a copywriter, or they can't be bothered to try and find a good copywriter. You could go into Fiverr, People Per Hour, Upwork, all these other freelance sites, see how much people are charging for a certain amount of copy, buy that piece of copy, and then send it over to that person. Only if you can make money on top of it. That is a suggestion for you to do, because one, they're not bothered because they're willing to pay that money anyway. Two, you found them a copywriter. Three, you've literally just been a middleman, put two and two together. And they don't even have to know that it's a middleman. You just be like, yeah, I bought this piece of copy about this product, send it over to that person, bam. As long as you can cut off some profit on top of it, then that's the best sort of option. So that's an option for you as well. I know a lot of people are going to try and do that now, so you just got to see if that's profitable, and if it's worth doing or not. You don't want to be using someone that's really rubbish at copywriting and sending poor quality content over to them, because that could affect you in the long term if you're trying to do it on a long-term basis. So the options are there. I'm being a sort of how would you say, I'm just sort of throwing all this information on how to make money to you guys, because so many people think you need a job to play. Basically, people think you have to have a job to be able to make money. You got to play safe and do this and do that. You don't have to. There's loads of different ways to make money nowadays. It's just a lot of people see it as a very, very safe option. But with all this job security that's going on, all this job insecurity that's going on, people not having the job security that you wish for through no fault of their own or the business's fault. It's no fault of anybody's, but it happens. People can lose jobs, meaning that even staying in a job is a complete risk. So sometimes, if the rewards are there, it's worth taking them risks. Take them risks for the right rewards. That's my advice to you today. And also, I did promise that I'll give away some free stuff, so click on, it'll be here, won't it? Yeah, click on the little information part, or you can check the links down in the description below to find the free ebook and the free training as well that we're offering. So yeah, you can go check that out. Sending lots of love to you all, and have a great day. Comment what you'd like to learn about making money online, because that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to help as many people as possible. Have a blessed day, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you later.